And here I am. After almost forgot to come here and have a little look around. Some 40 years ago, I was here. 40 years, 45 years back. Back then, there was none of these nonsense of big buildings. It's all about railways and roundhouses. Fabulous, right? Toronto's Railway Museum. And the aquarium is over there. This is beauty. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. Where am I? On a Sunday. Nobody's here. Thought I'd come here for the morning session. See the great old locomotives. Coal powered. Yeah. There we go. There you go, folks. Toronto Railway Museum. Wow, that is a good old joy. It is the old days. There was nothing to hold on to, right? A wooden tank made out of wood. There we go. Wow. What history does as it changes rapidly. Oh, this is reclaimed road. Oh, look at this carriage. A first old carriage. Wow. Another Canadian railway engine locomotive. Look at this little buggy. It's cute. Absolute delight, folks. I love the railways. Railway is what keeps you going. Steam Whistler. Do not climb. The Canadian National Railway. Hamilton to Buffalo, the American border. They go from Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo. Wow. I love it. It's cool, folks. The history. On board. If you really love trains, come here. You could do the narrow gauge, not a narrow gauge, toy gauge. Wow, the Canadian Pacific, the old one train. You go from, and you could do some of these steam locomotives. Wow, this is cool. This is cool, man. Look at this carriage. They still do, and in the US, from Boston to across America, you can actually do a rail ride across Canada using one of these trains, and you hire these, and then they hook onto the Canadian Pacific engines, and then you just crisscross as far as you wish. Look at this nonsense. They smash the flowers. This is Its aberrancy is beyond. Aberrance is beyond. Look at this little place here. Watch for trains, folks. Watch for trains. Mini train. Oh, this is a loving place. Absolutely delightful and loving. Watch for the trains, folks. Even there's no train. There's 2 carriages. No, as in 2 tracks. 450. Oh, cabin D, come along. And if you're in the country, you come along and you go through and then find the steam. The only way to attract people is to get a brewery in this old historic landmark. Wow. So all the history is parked on display for you to learn how it all happened. Huh? Signal rooms, the signal post there, the cabin D, the carriage. Wow. Let's go have a look. That's the signal signal mast. Wow. There you go. Come on. Just imagine it. Just plodding along on the trail. You see the beauty of the nature. Today we see the city of Toronto sprawling and going upwards over these glass facades, flimsy buildings. 23 degrees temperature, convenience for humanity. How our forefathers fought for a charge to bring up to this comfort. Railway crisscross the land, going to far-flung places. Today, with the convenience of diesel-powered and electric, next will be AI-powered trains. Where will we go? Will we go anywhere at all, or just simply sit at home and watch the train journey on your smart device, becoming you, a fool by your own making. Get out, it's 5 degrees, nice and warm. Yeah. Anyway, good old place. Good old place. Water powered. Clearing up. It's sunshine. Station that has traveled quite a bit to get here to resting place. What a joy. It is beautiful, right? To restore what was once before. Wagons. Oh, wagons. The Canadian Pacific. Oh, look at this turntable. Turn the engines and carriages and all sorts. Lovely. Folks, you can feel how would that be? 7020. Wow. S2 was built by the American Locomotive Company. Shin Steady, New York. Wow. You can smell that diesel engine. Smell the diesel engine. Let's just come to the platform. Huh? Wow. What an incredible journey they would have had here, right? Another little locomotive. Plymouth. Air locomotive. Cool. So they'll come straight into these little roundhouse. And now there are restaurants and different things. Go straight in there. .32 Roundhouse. Wow. This is where all the engines would go in for service. There's billiard rooms and cool. What a setup. And that's how you line up, feed into these little wow, what a smart little setup, right? Put them into restaurants and other things now. Look. Cafes, restaurants, eating spots. Yes, folks, times change. And our values in our roundhouse, semicircular roundhouse, they all change constantly. What we end up is what was once a way of life becomes a museum piece. As we advance in our technological capabilities, we might come to a bit of a sticky situation very soon, because our advances are so far ahead where humans cannot cope or they cannot catch up. It's a cool Canadian National Railway number 6213. The steam locomotive 484. Montreal Locomotive Works, 1942. It's built. What a beauty. 32 locomotives will be repaired here at the Roundhouse. Now there are breweries and cafes and all sorts. It's an incredible place. 1 to 32 there. You see? So the locomotives will come and they'll just slide until the Union Station there. Everything is underground now. Fantastic, right? What a feature, folks. What a fantastic locomotive that is. A steam locomotive. That bell when it goes tong tong tong. how the American and the Canadian locomotives came right underneath that cooling tower. Just there, loaded up, coal, and then carried on north and south and east and west. No, particularly north, south, and west. Royal Fairmont Hotel. Royal Yoke. I remember the skyline to be just the Royal Yoke Hotel, which is cannot be even seen now. It's the tallest building at the time. Look at this mural, beautiful.